Hello, welcome to the video on surface area of basic figures. This is our example set C video, and our focus is going to be finding the surface area of a sphere. Now, if you recall from the lesson, the surface area of a sphere is equal to 4 times pi times the radius squared. Now, that's not too, that's a pretty simple formula, not too complex, but nevertheless, we want to make sure we properly plug in the correct value. In this case, it's going to be for the radius, and then use order of operations to simplify the expression. So let's go and get started. So here I have a sphere of a radius 1/2. Okay, that's half of a meter, 1/2 m. So that's the only value I need to plug in the formula. Okay, so let's go ahead and actually set that up now. So the surface area will be equal to 4 times pi times the radius, which is 1/2 squared. All right, so why don't you take a moment and pause the video and see if you can simplify this expression. Now the first thing you need to do, because of order operations, you have to do that first. Okay, and 1/2 squared is going to be 1/2 times itself. All right, and knowing how to multiply fractions, you get 1/4. So the surface area now is equal to 4 times pi times 1/4. Now something interesting is happening here, because I'm going to have an opportunity to really get rid of these numbers here, because 4 times 1/4 is what? Actually, let me rewrite the problem this way. Surface area is equal to 4 times 1/4. It's multiplication, so order doesn't make a difference on when I multiply first. So 4 times 1/4 is simply 1. Okay, so that's 1 pi now, or simply just pi. Okay, so the answer is pi meters squared, right? Because our measurement, or unit of measure, is a meter, but let's go ahead and actually give that ourselves a decimal, 3.14 meters squared. All right. So this is a pretty easy problem, and I hope you feel comfortable using formulas to solve some of these basic area and volume problems. As we stated before in previous videos, using formulas is a very important skill of math and science, and understanding the steps involved, just as we went over in this particular problem, is it's a real accomplishment to be proud of. All right? So keep working hard, good luck, and hope to see you soon.